In this companion video, I'm going to talk to you about the cantrips and spells that are outlined in the player's handbook that it suggests that you start with as a bard. These are special abilities, and they're just merely suggestions. You start out at first level with 2 cantrips and 4 spells, but you only get 2 available spell slots. Don't worry, this simply means that you know these 4 spells, but you can only cast 2 between each long rest. I am going to try to paraphrase here for these spell abilities, so I'm not quoting directly out of the book. That can get really boring. The first recommended cantrip for you is Dancing Lights. Here you can create 4 torch-sized lights. They either look like a torch, a lantern, a glowing orb, something like that, right? You also have the ability to combine them together to make something that looks like maybe a spirit form or something, to try and trick some of the more feeble-minded monsters out there. And once these lights have ran out their time, they'll just simply fade out. Your next cantrip is Vicious Mockery. With this, you let out a series of insults which are directed at a single target. As long as this target is able to hear you, it must make a wisdom saving throw, even if it doesn't understand or speak your language. On a failed saving throw, that target takes 1d4 damage and has to roll with disadvantage on its next attack before its turn ends. The first suggested spell you take is Charm Person. Here you attempt to charm a humanoid within 30 feet of you. Then your target must make a wisdom saving throw. If failed, the charmed humanoid will regard you as a friend for the next hour, unless someone, of course, attacks the charmed one. Then your spell's broken. Your next spell is Detect Magic. This spell requires 10 minutes of uninterrupted concentration for you. While the spell is active, you're able to see a faint glowing aura around objects or creatures that possess magical properties within 30 feet of you. Your next one is Healing Word. This is a really good heal backup spell for in case your cleric runs into trouble. The range of this spell is an awesomely incredible 60 feet, and it's an instant cast. Here, you're able to target a creature of your choice and heal them for 1d4 points, plus your spell casting modifier. Now, unfortunately, this spell has no effect on constructs or the undead. So that means flesh golems and zombies, nah, it won't affect them one bit. Lastly, they suggest you take Thunder Wave. Now this can be a very powerful spell in your arsenal. You can cast out in a wave 15 feet cubed from your body. This wave is capable of pushing all creatures and even material objects away from you. All creatures affected must make a Constitution saving throw or take 2d10 thunder damage. On the chance of a successful saving roll, the creature only takes half their damage. The spell also has a special feature with it. Up to 300 feet away, everyone can hear a thunderous boom. Yeah, that can cause some really bad hearing damage. All these cantrips and spells get better as you level. As far as changes go, I'd definitely keep these, especially Detect Magic. You know, this spell will come in really handy when your adventure's over and you're deciding what to do with all the loot. Who knows? Somebody might get a well-deserved weapon upgrade with a nice modifier on it. Or someone will get a little piece of armor with a extra little oomph to help boost that armor class. I hope this video was helpful for you in your decision about playing a bard. Thank you for watching.